I can see. Babe, are you not done? Babe. Hey.
Yes, dear. How are you? What is that? What is it?
Nothing. Are you not done?
No, I'm not done. I'm still trying to sort out a couple of issues with this person here.
Are you sure?
Yes, dear.
Okay, you know the sun is high.
The sun is high, yes, I know. Just give me a little time.
Okay.
Some people, they can be very problematic. They cannot go straight to the point. You would have lived there, eh? Sorry,
Okay.
eh?
Okay.
Just give me a little time.
Okay, babe.
Yes, baby.
What's going on?
Nothing now, don't worry. Everything will be fine
I told you, go and finish up this woman so that I can come in. I don't like this, all those kind of things that you're doing. Remove this woman. She's blocking my way. She's an obstacle to me.
I know, baby.
Just if it's to, kill her, just do.
No, we cannot do something that the police will come after us.
I don't like it. You're just delaying me.
I want something so that we get the papers now and the car. You now look at it now. The car will be yours, the paper will be yours.
Just hasten up everything because I don't have much time. I'm running out of patience.
Is it not me? Is it not me again?
Please do, please.
It's okay.
Take her out of our way.
I will do that. It's just